Whether you are buying a home or making a property investment, you need a lawyer to check the contract prepared by the seller. Exchanging signed contracts with the seller means the buyer cannot back out of the purchase without losing their deposit and risking litigation. The seller cannot back out of the sale either. Both parties are financially committed and legally bound to complete. The transaction is usually completed 2 weeks after exchange, but the parties are free to arrange for a longer or shorter completion. For example, in chain-free cash transactions, it is possible to exchange and complete on the same day. Residential contracts follow a standard form issued by the Law Society, and substantial amendments are rare. Your lawyer adds any special conditions required by you, the lender, or arising from the pre-contract negotiations, or the property information and title investigations, such as retentions for repair work, paying and arranging for legal indemnity insurance for a defective title issue, or pre-completion access arrangements. When you are happy with the report on title, your lawyer will ask you to sign the contract ready for exchange. You need to prepare for exchange by arranging building insurance if required for the new property from the date of exchange, checking you have met any mortgage offer conditions, and sending the deposit sum to your lawyer. The deposit is usually 10% of the purchase price, but sometimes a 5% deposit can be negotiated. The deposit is transferred from the buyer's lawyer to the seller's lawyer when contracts exchange. Your lawyer will discuss with you whether the deposit should be held by the seller's lawyer as a stakeholder or agent. As stakeholder, the seller's lawyer holds the deposit on behalf of both parties until completion or default. As agent, the seller's lawyer may transfer the deposit to the seller at any time, usually as soon as it has been paid. This allows the seller to use the deposit as a deposit on a related onward purchase, or where the seller is a developer and requires the deposit released on exchange. As long as there are no legal matters outstanding, once the contract is signed and the deposit paid, you are ready to authorise your lawyer to exchange contracts. Exchange takes place on the telephone and may depend on a chain of related sales and purchases. Sometimes, in a long chain, it takes time to arrange a convenient time and date when everybody in the chain is ready to exchange. This can be frustrating and outside your lawyer's control. But once your contracts are exchanged, you are committed and on the way to owning the property. Your lawyer will advise you on the next steps you need to take to prepare for completion. Don't leave the biggest investment of your life to chance.